When we talk about women's economic empowerment in Pakistan, one thing was clear. Women are already working. They're running small businesses, producing goods, and supporting household incomes. The real question, however, was why are these businesses not growing? Why are they staying informal, small, and disconnected from stable markets? It is not because women lack skills or ambition. It is because the systems around them don't work in their favor. What's usually missing is a way to connect women-led businesses to real market systems. That's exactly why this particular research was conducted. As a scoping and a diagnostic study, we wanted to look at where women-led enterprises are concentrated, what's holding them back, and what kinds of institutional arrangements could help them grow. One of the pathways the study explores is the role of an anchor institution. An anchor is a stable institution within a value chain, such as a corporate buyer, cooperative, platform, or large intermediary that can aggregate women-led enterprises and provide embedded support. This support may include assured market access, quality standards, skills, and links to finance. This report was developed to understand where such anchor opportunities exist in Pakistan and how they can be intentionally built.
The research combined global evidence with extensive fieldwork in Pakistan, covering 9 sectors, 5 regions, and engaging with 360 stakeholders across the enterprise and institutional ecosystem. One finding was consistent across sectors. Women entrepreneurs are enterprise-ready, but they are system-constrained. They demonstrate strong skills, motivation, and business sense. Yet their growth is limited by informality, weak market linkages, and lack of growth stage finance. They also have minimal interactions with relevant institutions. The research also showed that anchors already exist in Pakistan, but mainly in partial forms. Many organizations provide training, procurement, or mobilization, but very few offer integrated end-to-end support that combines market access, finance, and capacity building at scale. Anchor readiness in Pakistan is latent, not absent. With deliberate design and targeted investment, anchor-based models can unlock scale for women-led enterprises across multiple sectors.
What this research really does is shift the conversation. It shows that women's economic empowerment isn't just about skills or access. It's about how markets and institutions are structured. For organizations working with women entrepreneurs or SMEs, the findings point to the limits of a stand-alone intervention. If we want to scale, we need approaches that work through institutions and value chains. The anchor lens helps with that. It offers a practical way to think about how existing organizations can be strengthened or new ones can be shaped to integrate women directly into supply chains, platforms, and markets. This report doesn't prescribe a single model. Instead, it provides evidence and a framework that can inform pilots, partnerships, and policy discussion across sectors. The idea is to design approaches that make commercial sense, respond to women's realities, and can actually be sustained over time. So this research is basically a starting point, meant to inform the next phase of action, experimentation, and learning on women-led SME growth in Pakistan.